Hello. Why did I start to come to chiropractic? Well, and my husband has been going for 15, 16 years. He isn't really doing well, but he has lost a lot of weight. Anyway, I had some problems recently and was getting steroid shots. And unfortunately, they didn't last very long, and I kept getting sicker and sicker and sicker and couldn't move. And I said, okay, I'm going back to Dr. Ross. And that's why I'm here now. My last stint, it's been about 3 months. Before I went for maybe a year and a half, but then there were a big lapse of time in between. My husband goes very consistently, at least once a week. My back, my x-rays are fantastic. I do not believe it. When I came in here 3 months ago, I was literally crawling on the floor. I could not stand up more than a minute. I couldn't walk, and I'm just doing amazing. People sometimes think, chiropractors, they don't do anything. Let me tell you, it has been a miracle what I've experienced with my own self. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Right, honey?